Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy Botshelo Sello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today, we're going to do analysis, forecasting. We're going to do on two pairs, which is gold and nasdaq 100. So if you watched my previous video on gold, I'm sure you're in profits now. But if you didn't get to watch it, no problem. We'll still look for some opportunities to trade in gold. So as you can see, this is the pattern that we had, a reversal pattern. So it rejected, as I said. I entered on the 1 hour candlestick, rejected, then I went in. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button to get notified when I upload a new video, and make sure to comment down below if you have any questions. So let's get right to it. So as you can see, we will obviously get an opportunity for those who didn't get in the trade. Let me just remove these old ones. So here I'll be showing you a strong zone where I'll be expecting a correction. This is where we can get another opportunity for us to go in if you missed the trade. So if you can see clearly, this is on the 4 hour time frame. This is a strong zone. So what might happen is, what might happen is this candlestick might break, but we might have something like this, a correction that we'll be looking for. We might get a correction like this. This is where you know that we'll get another opportunity to get in the trade. So hopefully if it moves like this, then we know we're gonna get an opportunity to get in the trade. So what we're waiting for now is to get a correction, so that we know that we might get an entry. For those who didn't get an entry, for us who are in the trade, might get a second opportunity to go in the trade. So this is what we're looking for in order for us. So this is what we'll be looking for, guys. So we'll be waiting for another reversal pattern in order for us to get ready to enter the trade. So this is what we'll be looking for in order for us to go in this trade to get a second entry. So we're just waiting for it to, if it doesn't break, we might get a correction from here. If this zone is a strong zone, we might get a correction from here. Might start to correct. Then we get in the trade, then we go down with it. So there are many scenarios, but we'll just have to wait for the market to tell us what's going on. But in order for us to go in, we just have to wait for a pattern, and you know our 90% rule is here. So there's still an opportunity on gold. So we just have to be careful and just wait patiently for it. For it to show us an opportunity. But as you can see, it's moving heavily to the downside, so it's showing us that the sellers have power, but it has to correct in order for us to get another opportunity. So we just have to watch it for this week and see if we can get an opportunity. So the other pair we're going to show you is nasdaq 100. If you remember correctly, let me just go back to the weekly time frame. If you remember correctly, this is what we had on nasdaq 100. this was my analysis that the price broke here, it came for a retest, now we're going up here, but it didn't do as so I had to reanalyze the trade, so it took me out with a loss, but I normally use a tight stop loss. So what I did is I came back and reanalyzed and see where I went wrong. So what I did is I evolved this pattern on this 100. So I did evolve it. Then I see that now we still have another opportunity to the downside. So I haven't went in the trade yet, but this is what I'm thinking that will happen on Nasdaq 100. Might come here for a third touch, then go up. This is just want to put it on the 90% through, then it might go up. So this is the scenario that I have on Nasdaq 100. But before we get to that, I just want to go on the smaller time frame so we can see what opportunity is happening on Nasdaq 100. So we have a lovely reversal pattern. The lovely reversal pattern. I don't know why I didn't see this. So I haven't gotten into the trade yet. I just want to see how it plays. But as you can see, it broke this price here. Let me just, so you can see it clearly. So as you can see, it broke this price. So I didn't enter because I didn't get a retest. So normally I go in when I get a retest, but I couldn't get a retest. So I'm still waiting for an opportunity. So it might happen that when it gets to the zone here, this is the 4 hour, it might do a correction. So might do a correction when it gets here. So in order for me to get in the trade, if I didn't get in when it did a retest, the only thing that I wait for is a correction, and correction that I know that it's happening in a reversal pattern, then that's when I get ready to enter the trade. So this is what I'll be looking for in order for me to get in the trade for Nasdaq 100. Otherwise, I'll have to wait, because now this is what I'll be looking for in order for me to get ready to go in the trade. This is the 4 hour, guys. If you remember correctly, I did analysis on it. I thought broke that pattern, so we're going to get buy opportunities. I did buy, but it didn't go well. So we know that sometimes trades don't go as you planned. That's why we have a stop loss to prevent us from blowing our trading account. So if you don't use stop loss, you always blow your trading account. But I use a stop loss, so I'll never blow my trading account. So this is what I'll be waiting for on Nasdaq 100 in order for me to get in the trade. I'll wait for a pattern. It might start happening here. The pattern, we'll just have to check. It might even come back for a retest, but I don't think so. But the only thing that I'll be waiting for in order for me to go in the trade is that I'll wait for a continuation, a reversal pattern, sorry. I'll wait for a reversal pattern in order for me to go in this trade. This is Nasdaq 100 on the 4 hour. So as you can see, it's showing us that the sellers have a the sellers have a strong momentum, as you can see. have an impulse. Now we're waiting for a correction in order for us to get in the trade, then we can impulse with it. So this is what I'm looking at for Nasdaq 100. The analysis that I had last week didn't go as planned, it took me out. So this is what I'll be looking for. I'm looking for an opportunity now to also get in the trade because I see that the sellers have a strong momentum. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button, like the video and comment down below. Thank you very much, guys.